Well, hello everybody. It's me. I'm back again with something extremely stupid. So before I had a 2004 Jetta TDI I was working on. Latest was a 2006 Lotus Exige, which I just recently sold. Now it is this. Lowered for fat girls. It's a 1983 Volkswagen Rabbit with a 2.0 motor swap. Yeah, get a look at all that goodness in there. Old school horn, RS type eBay intake. Just overall, a great looking car. Yeah, turquoise rims for that high performance. So right now I'm working on trying to get it off the trailer as it's stuck in reverse. So I'm gonna have to try to figure that out here pretty soon. I'll update you later. Let me just show you guys how ghetto it is back here. We got an 8-gallon fuel cell. This isn't even locked in. Look at all these wires coming right by the fuel cell, not to mention the battery.
Jesus Christ.
Fuel cell, battery, gasoline. Yeehaw! I somehow managed to get her off the trailer. Just this crazy setup, but anyway, I got it to run in 4th gear. Thank God. Now it's on to taking out the transmission and figuring out what the problem with this thing is, why I won't go into 1st, 2nd, 3rd, or 5th. And we're gonna replace the clutch just with a stalker I had laying around, and then also possibly look into replacing with the transmission I had laying around. All right, so we brought some tools from a buddy's house. It's all the stuff I've had at his house for years, so hopefully I can make do with what I have, but I'll show you what I brought real quick. I brought, let's see, some Converse Chuck Taylors to do the job in. Brought a tool organizer. So this comes in handy. It helps me stay organized. So it has little slots. I'm not a well. So yeah, has little slots and stuff that you can open up, put your bolts in. It's completely convenient. And then I got a Harbor Freight compression gauge. Need to check the compression of the motor. Then I got these triple square. I'm not sure exactly what you call them, triple square or something. But anyway, that's to take the axle nuts out with. It's a real convenient tool if you work on VWs. Then I got my old school trusty tool kit that I've had since 2004. One jack stand, got some Allen sockets in here, another Harbor Freight cheater bar, ultra black gasket maker in case I need to seal something up, PB blaster, got a creepy crawler, some rags in that bag. I got a, I'll show ya, stock clutch from a 1983 Jetta that was sitting for years, 13 years. Then I brought an extra 0-to-0 transmission with good axles. So that's what I'm going to start with. This dirty bitch is going to run. It already runs, but it just doesn't go into gear. All right, until then. Definitely need to do is use this is the most important part, sunscreen, because it is so freaking hot outside. You can see sunny, and there's just going to be a lot of sun on my decrepit face, my ugly face, so I'm going to put this on real quick. Yeah, that looks good. Now in all this mess, I'm going to show you I cannot find one single jack stand. That's all I need, one jack stand. Ah, Lord, what are my friends? I don't know what to do with my friends. This is his garage. Anyway, let me show you. All this, not one single jack stand. Good God, he even has this monster. Not a single jack stand. Alright, so I got this jack stand. I got this jack stand out of my Lexus. Excuse me. I got this jack out of my Lexus. Then I'll use this one jack I had in my shed, and I'll use these ghetto turquoise tires as a stand on the other side. All right, let's get down to business.